Hello, I'm Bezade from the London Law Practice, and today I'll be showing you how to start a business in the UK with a Tier 1 investor visa. Keep watching to learn more. For high net worth investors outside the European Economic Area or Switzerland who are not seeking to handle the day-to-day management of their business investments, a Tier 1 investor visa is required in order to open, take over or invest in one or more UK-based businesses. As with work visas, including the Tier 1 entrepreneur visa, the investor visa operates on a points-based system and has stringent requirements that must be met in order for your application to be successful. The key requirement for persons over the age of 18 to be eligible for an investor visa is the possession of at least £2 million in disposable investment funds held in one or more regulated financial institutions. If using your own money, you must also be able to provide evidence that you have sufficient funds and proof of where the money is being held, proof of the source of the investment funds, and proof that you can transfer and access the funds as sterling currency within the UK. If the funds belong to a spouse, you must provide a marriage certificate. Where funds belong to a civil or same-sex partner, you must be able to prove that you've been in a long-term relationship for at least 2 years. Critically, you will also be required to submit a written statement proving that you have an unrestricted right to access, transfer and control your spouse's or partner's funds within the UK, along with a letter from a legal advisor proving the validity of the said statement. While the investment funds constitute the only attribute needed to earn the prerequisite 75 points, proving that you have full access to and control of those funds in the UK involves the submission of several documents, each of which comes with its own set of requirements in order to be considered valid for submission. It is therefore imperative that a specialist solicitor be engaged to guide applicants through each step of the process, giving the best possible chance of a successful application. Online applications must also be prepared and submitted for each of the applicant's dependents, so that they can accompany the investor to the UK. Once you've been granted your investor visa, you must invest all £2 million of your funds in UK government bonds or in share or loan capital in active UK businesses. The visa is granted for an initial duration of 3 years and 4 months, during which time you must maintain this level of investment, and any change in circumstances preventing you from doing so must be notified immediately to the Home Office. You must also remain within the UK for at least 185 days, approximately 6 months of the year, or risk being denied re-entry into the country. Once all of the conditions of the initial visa have been met and can be proven, applicants can then apply to extend their investor visa for a further period of 2 years. For more information on Tier 1 investor visas, or for expert legal advice on any aspect of UK immigration law, contact us today at the London Law Practice.